So the first thing we're going to do is take the prosciutto, which I already prepped up and diced it up small, and saute it until it's a little bit crispy. You don't need any oil or butter in the pan because there's a lot of fat on the prosciutto. And I'm using a wooden spoon, spatula, not a spatula, because if I bang this, it's not as noisy as a stainless steel one. Let's lower the flame. There we go. We're in no rush. I'm going to leave this. I'll stir it every couple of minutes. You don't have to be watching me because boring. Well, you see how that is? Little cooking, didn't get crispy, but it's all going to get into the Cuisinart anyway. Now we add the onions and the garlic. And then after this, I'm going to throw in the spinach. Spinach. So a few minutes of getting this. Three, 4 minutes like that. Now that the onions are translucent, we will add the baby spinach. This will only take a couple of minutes. Now you can raise the flame just to get this done. And this you have to stay with it, because the bottom is going to cook and the top leaves will be raw. So you have to continuously mix this. And the taste will be better than using frozen spinach, which a lot of recipes call for. But I like to use fresh as much as possible. And this only has to get wilted. It's going to turn that green color. I mean, it is green, of course. And then I'm going to turn this out onto this pan so it can cool. And, of course, stop it from cooking any further. This will only take another maybe 20 seconds, because once this starts to cook, it's done. As a matter of fact, off goes the flame. There's plenty of heat in there to finish what's there. And there we go. Now I'll put it on the pan. As you can see, there's no moisture. See that? I didn't do anything. Now we'll just put this in the Cuisinart. And there's some ricotta cheese in there. And then I'm going to put some cream cheese in there. This doesn't take long to get cold. Put this in the fridge. Took about a half hour. It's ice cold. So there we have that. Now I'm going to add everything else. Everything is in there except for the Parmesan cheese. So let's run this and see what happens. Let me scrape down the sides and get a feel of the consistency. Run it a little bit more. Then we're going to taste it. Now I will taste it and then I will season it, and we're just about done. Now that it's all in the bowl, take your favorite grated cheese, cover the top, then when you're ready to serve tomorrow or this evening, put it in the microwave. And it's done. I hope you enjoy it.